Good morning, students. Once again, I am Suman. Today we will discuss class 9, lesson 1, and the topic is equation of motion. There are three equations of motion: v equal to ut plus half at. Second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation is v square equal to u square plus 2s. All these three equations we will see on graphical method. So here there is a graph. For the graphical representation all these kinds of motion, we have graph, and this motion is when the object is in motion. Now any object which is in motion, suppose that in this graph, as you are watching, the x and y axis, and as you know that x axis always will represent time and y axis will represent velocity. On the y axis we represent velocity. Now we choose one object which is starting from 0, and the object is in motion. Now we take a point on A. In this point, the object gradually increases the velocity and reaches the point B. So the initial velocity of the object is u. Here we represent u first. Here we will first prove the first equation of motion. V equal to ut plus half at square, where v equal to final velocity, u equal to initial velocity, a equal to acceleration, and t is the time. In this graph, the object moving with initial velocity u, and after time t it reaches the point B. And as you know that we have been already discussed in graphical method, in velocity time graph, the slope represented in velocity time graph is acceleration. So here the slope is acceleration. Slope represent acceleration. Now the whole velocity of this object is v. As you are watching, the whole velocity is v for this object, and u is the initial velocity. Now we know that the acceleration equal to rate of change of velocity. Now here acceleration is ab, and ab is a slope for this graph. So ab equal to acceleration. Now the solution for first equation of motion, acceleration equal to slope AB, and as you are watching, this is a triangle. ABD is a triangle. It is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, the side which is in front of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So slope is AB and this is hypotenuse. So we can write in place of AB, BD by AD. Because this slope is study about this in next class, class 10, because this is related to trigonometry. So you have to learn here. AB equal to BD by AD. And in place of BD, we can write BC minus CD. In place of BD, we can write BC minus CD, and in place of AD we can write OC. acceleration will represent a symbol A. So A equal to BC minus CD by OC. Now the value of BC is the final velocity of the object for point B. It is V. So we can write V, and in place of CD we can write OA, and the value of OA is U. And the value of OC, this is time. So the value of OC is T. By cross multiplication, A, this T will multiply with A, so this become AT equal to V minus U. Now U will come this side, so AT plus U equal to V, or we can write V equal to U plus AT. This is first equation of motion. The next equation of motion we will discuss in the next class. So next equation of motion is S equal to ut plus half at square. So this equation we will discuss in next class, and you will try to solve a numericals which is based on this first equation of motion. Till then, thank you.